Hello, this is Patrick Bennett, and I am reviewing the Marshmallow Test, Mastering Self-Control, written by Walter Mischel. I was drawn to this book initially because of the mentioning of the Marshmallow Test, which is a psychological research I was familiar with from a previous class. I am also interested in bettering my own self-control habits, so choosing this book was an easy choice to make. The book is divided into three major parts, the first of which explains and reviews the results of the Marshmallow Test research conducted at Stanford. For those unfamiliar with the Marshmallow Test, I'll provide a quick summary. Walter Mischel led a research group comprised of students to explore self-control among preschoolers. The test these preschoolers faced was whether they wanted immediate gratification or if they could delay their desire for a better reward. A single marshmallow was placed in front of the student, and if they could hold out until the researcher came back to the room, they would be given an additional marshmallow for their self-control. In observing their results, the children capable of delaying gratification exhibited a level of self-control that would be beneficial to them later in life. Part 2 of the book explores examples of how this higher level of self-control aids in life as the preschoolers grows into adulthood. This includes being able to save money for important investments over immediately spending on reactive desires, developing positive health habits such as exercising and eating right, and avoiding negative risk factors such as heavily drinking or excessively smoking. Part 3 of the book goes on to provide potential strategies to use in day-to-day life, small adjustments that, if implemented correctly, can lead to a higher degree of self-control. The strategies provided in this part of the book alone would be a good recommendation for individuals who wish to improve their self-control. Parts 1 and 2, however, provide the necessary context and information that back up the validity of these strategies. I would recommend this book to anyone that wants to improve their self-control. One of the biggest draws to this book is the fact that Mischel begins by clarifying that improving self-control is possible for anyone. There is no physical, mental, emotional, or genetic barrier that makes someone incapable of doing so. Each individual just begins at a different level of self-control and can improve from there.